Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Lock Junkie here. Thank you so much for joining me. In front of me here, I have this Bane 55mm brass squeeze padlock from Croatia. It was sent to me kindly by DP Lock Sport. Thank you, DP. I really love these locks because they're foreign to us, and they just got such a cool feel to them, and I just really love having it. It's a great addition to the collection, and now I want to pick it and see what it takes to get inside of it. Bottom of the keyway with my multi-pick 0.8mm and my long reach by Roblon. Let's get picking. Excuse me. Oh, wow. So this guy's a bit of a turnover, pushover, I guess. Turnover. But yeah, there we go, guys. We got that open in some pretty good timing, and I'm happy with that. That's all I got for you guys. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Till next time, catch you later.